Did you know Aaron Judge is bigger than 60% of NFL offensive linemen? At 6 feet 7 inches and 282 pounds, this giant shouldn't be able to hit a baseball with precision. But Judge broke every rule about what a baseball player should look like. In 2022, he smashed 62 home runs, breaking Babe Ruth's American League record that stood for 61 years. He hit 311 and drove in 131 runs. The Yankees paid him $360 million over 9 years because his size creates physics advantages no other player has. His 6'7" frame generates swing speeds that launch balls at 120 miles per hour regularly. He crushes 450-foot home runs to every part of the field. Umpires struggle calling strikes because his strike zone is massive. Frank Howard and Dave Winfield were big players too, but neither combined Judge's size with his precision. When Judge connects, the ball doesn't just leave the park, it disappears into orbit.